One of the biggest responsibilities as both an employer and a payroll provider is making sure that payroll taxes are paid on time. The biggest payroll tax is usually always the federal deposit or the 941 tax payment, and that is the employee's federal withholding and then the employee's Social Security and Medicare and the employer's Social Security and Medicare. So there's two deposit schedules when it comes to these taxes. The first is monthly, and the second is a semi-weekly deposit schedule. Keep in mind that these deposit schedules have no bearing or no relation to your pay schedules, with the exception that if you're on a semi-weekly deposit schedule, when you pay wages does dictate when the tax payment is due. But you can be, you can have a weekly payroll and a semi-weekly deposit schedule. You can have a weekly payroll and be on a monthly deposit schedule. So the way the IRS determines when your IRS tax payments are due is based on a look-back period. So for 2023, the look-back period was quarter 3 and quarter 4 of 2021 and quarter 1 and quarter 2 of 2022. If you add up the total tax liability on all 4 941s, the amount, if it was less than $50,000, would make you a monthly depositor for 2023. If the amount was over $50,000, then you are a semi-weekly depositor. For monthly deposit schedule, the tax is due on the 15th of the month for the preceding month. So for example, for May's taxes will be due on June 15th if you're a monthly depositor. If you're a semi-weekly depositor, then every time you process payroll, you're going to basically have to turn around and pay the IRS. So with that, if your pay date is Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, then those taxes are due the following Wednesday. If your payment is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday, then those taxes are due to the IRS by that Friday. If you have a liability of $100,000 or more at any point in time, that payment is due to the IRS in 1 business day. So lots to unpack here. Let's just recap. With federal tax deposits, those are your 941 tax deposits and are inclusive of employee withholding for federal taxes, plus the employee and employer Social Security and Medicare taxes. The look back period is going to be quarter 3, quarter 4 of 2 years past, quarter 1, quarter 2 of last year. So for 2023, we're looking at quarter 3, quarter 4 of 2021, and quarter 1 and quarter 2 of 2022. If the cumulative liability on those 4 periods is more than $50,000, you are a semi-weekly depositor. If it's less, you're a monthly depositor. As always, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. The IRS tax penalties are the steepest that you can possibly have. They add up very quickly and the IRS doesn't mess around. One of the big reasons for that is because you are taking money from employees, and so it is your duty and obligation to remit that money to the IRS as required. If you've got payroll questions, I've got payroll answers. Please don't hesitate to reach out, or you can find us online at valorpayrollsolutions.com.